friends, welcome to our quick math moment. Today, we're learning about intersecting lines. Let's make it simple and fun. Hi everyone, today we're talking about intersecting lines. First, what is a line? A line is a straight path that goes forever in two directions.
Whoa!
But for today, we'll look at line segments, little pieces of a line with a start and an end. Now, what does intersecting mean? Intersecting lines are two lines that cross each other at exactly one point. They meet or cross.
Whoa!
Look at this X. The two lines cross in the middle. That crossing point is where they intersect. See? They share that one point. Here are two lines that cross. They meet at one spot. If lines cross but don't touch, they don't intersect.
Whoa!
Let's spot intersecting lines in different shapes. A square has two diagonals that cross in the center. Those diagonals intersect. A triangle has three sides that meet at the corners, but the lines of the sides don't cross inside the shape. They only meet at the corners, which is not the same as intersecting lines inside the shape. A plus sign has a vertical line and a horizontal line that cross in the middle. The intersection point is where they meet. So, to spot intersecting lines, look for lines that go in different directions and cross each other at one point. If they don't cross, they don't intersect. I'll describe two examples. You tell me which ones intersect. Two lines forming an A shape, do they intersect in the middle? Yes, they meet at the top, not across, so they don't intersect inside the shape. A letter X, do the lines cross? Yes, they intersect where they cross. If you're unsure, draw it and check where the lines touch. Intersecting lines aren't just in math books. When you cross a street, the street lines cross at the corner of the intersection. Two roads crossing is two lines intersecting. A ladder leaning against a wall also forms intersecting lines, where the ladder line meets the wall line at one point. Now you try. Draw a big plus sign on a piece of paper. Where do the lines intersect? In the center. Draw two lines that cross each other at a corner of a rectangle. Do they intersect inside the rectangle or at the corner? They cross outside the shape, which means they still intersect at one point.
Yahoo!
Find three things in your room that show intersecting lines, like a clock hands, a cross-stitch pattern, or a window grid. Point to the intersection point. Great job today! Intersecting lines cross at one point. They help us understand how different lines meet and how shapes are built. If you enjoyed learning about intersecting lines,
Whoa!
give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun lessons. What will we learn next? Stick around and keep practicing your writing skills. Have a fabulous day!